Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my today's video, I will tell you about the Play Store problem in your device realme C35. Before starting the video, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If in your device realme C35 you are having an issue related to the Play Store, like your Play Store is not signing in or having an issue related to the downloads of apps, you can solve this problem by the method as I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the Play Store problem in your device realme C35. Let's watch it.